Hi everyone, today I'm just going to be going through how I drew this cat's eye. I'm drawing it in a realistic style, so if that sounds like something that you want to improve on, want some tips on, then stick around. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to be doing a black outline around my eyes. This is just going to give you a little space to work with it. And then I'm going to take my Kneadable Eraser and just kind of get rid of any of the imperfections and pencil marks that I don't really want there. And the first colour I'm going to go in with is the Ivory, and I'm going to just lay down a base for the rest of my colours. And I'm going to move my pencil outward from the centre of the pupil in like little lines as the muscle of the iris would kind of look. It's not too important yet. Now I'm going to start getting some good colour in with my olive green yellowish, and just doing those little lines going out from the pupil just to really create some texture and depth in there. So yeah, as you can see, it goes a little bit darker right in by the iris, and you're going to work on that a bit more later, but essentially just kind of mapping out those shapes and those lines, and we're going to start leaving some highlights in the eye as well, just to create that depth and give some life to those eyes, because without a highlight the eyes never really sparkle or come alive, so that's so important. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more colour with my brown, which is a Bistre. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but it's the Faber-Castell Bistre Polychromos pencil, and essentially not too much detail here, but you're just going to lay down more of an earthy browny green colour. And now I'm going to start working on some shadows and go in with my warm grey 4. So we're just kind of going to dramatise those lines we did with the green pencil and just get some shadows and some darkness in there and some real serious contrast. So yeah, just around the outside, and this is where it gets good. This is with the warm grey 6, so this is the really dramatic shadows that we're going to get in there. You can see right in the inner eye it's a lot darker, and that's going to just create that depth and real look that we're going for. And just going back into all those little gaps that you're leaving in the iris and all those lines, so that you can kind of see how the muscle works, how it kind of goes outwards from the middle, stretches around, looks super nice and real. And so I'm just going to take my black pencil again and just kind of clean up those nice sharp lines that I want in there. And I'm going to go into the little inner part of the eye with a sanguine pink pencil, a grey pencil, and a brown Bistre pencil. And it's not too detailed here, but yeah, just to give that little bit of a fleshy colour. And essentially, that's how I did it. So I'm just going around again with my black pencil and tidying up any areas that I want to, but there you have it. This is obviously sped up hella, so don't worry if it takes you a long time, and patience is key, and just practice. So I hope this was helpful. There you go. Alright, so I hope that was helpful to you. Please, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, and please just do comment and tell me what you want to be seeing. I will read them all and I will take all your advice, so that will be great. Awesome, so I'll see you next time. Bye!